Featuring records of formerly enslaved people, Articles of Enslavement is a free and first-of-its-kind collection created using cutting-edge technology to analyze newspaper articles and advertisements to resurface the names, ages, physical descriptions, and crucial details of long-sought-after enslaved ancestors. The details in these records can lead to key breakthroughs in helping descendants of previously enslaved people in the U.S. make discoveries about their families prior to 1870, even bridging gaps in documentation where records were destroyed or the local courthouse may have burned, occurrences that would have previously hindered present-day efforts to find ancestors. The records in this collection includes newspaper articles and advertisements related to enslavement published in American newspapers before 1900. Just as they do now, newspapers served a critical purpose in the lives of our ancestors, which often extended beyond detailing their daily lives. They also served as documentation of a community's legal proceedings and decisions. Across the United States during the period of slavery before and after the Civil War, those legal matters often involved enslaved people. While the collection strives to provide accurate information in a respectful manner, it may be distressing or traumatic for some. Ancestry does not endorse discriminatory or racist views, and we encourage you to take an open and critical approach to this content. Records may include name, enslaver's name, locations, dates, occupation, age, physical characteristics, relationships, and more. The records in this collection can reveal key details about your ancestors' lives. To explore the collection, simply enter details of interest such as name, location, or date. To discover how your own family history intersects with this collection, start with the family tree on Ancestry. Exploring the articles in the context of their original publication can help us understand more about how slavery shaped everyday life in the United States. For example, researchers might find a notice for a slave auction next to advertisements about other material things and goods for sale. This collection documents the dehumanizing nature of slavery and demonstrates how slavery was normalized in the United States. Ancestry is committed to helping everyone discover, craft, and connect around their family stories for generations to come. We hope that with this free collection, even more people will be able to discover their family story. Start learning more about your history today with this record collection on Ancestry.